NSTP core values, values formation. The Filipino values is embodied in the preamble of the 1987 Constitution, and today we will be simplifying and categorizing each of them. The first one would be Maka. Under the Maka cluster, we have A. Faith in the Almighty, B. Respect for life, C. Order, D. Work, and the last one in Maka we have E. Concerned for the family and future generations. Then we have the second one, Maka Tao. Under it, we have A. Love, B. Freedom, Independence and Democracy, C. Peace, D. Truth, and E. Justice. The third one would be pagka-makabayan, and we have under it A. Unity, B. The good citizenship value of equality, C. Respect for law and government, D. Patriotism, and the last one, E. The good citizenship value of the common good. And the last one, number 4, Maka kalikasan. So overall, we have number 1, Maka number 2, Maka Tao, number 3, Maka bayan, and number 4, Maka kalikasan. Values. Values are said to be worth the importance we attach to different factors in our lives. In the Maka cluster, we can see the good citizenship values under the Maka cluster with the use of the following words: A. Faith in the Almighty, B. Respect for life, C. Order, D. Work, and E. Concern for the family and future generations. So how do we show that we are Maka? By engaging in spiritual activities, respecting sacred places, respecting religious beliefs of others, and demonstrating curiosity and willingness to learn about other ways to express spiritual life. And now, let's move on to Maka Tao. So we can see under it we have A. Love, B. Freedom, C. Peace, D. Truth, and E. Justice. Here are some values and traits of being Maka Tao. Filipinos are excellent in portraying a good model of people with values, virtues, and integrity. Being Maka Tao would simply mean by respecting each other's rights and opinions of existing differences. Filipinos are naturally kind, gentle, generous, hospitable, hardworking, obedient, and polite, which made a great impact to the world. They also embodied a great cliche of po and opo of every Filipino as a sign of respect to older people or in a higher position. The third one would be pagka-makabayan. So under it, we have A. Unity, B. The good citizenship value of equality, C. Respect for law and government, D. Patriotism, and E. The good citizenship value of common good. So, when can you say that you are makabansa? First is if you identify yourself as a Filipino, if you respect the Filipino flag, the national anthem, and if you take pride in diverse Filipino practices and traditions, promote and appreciate the enhancement of Filipino language, and of course, abides rules of our country. And the last one is Maka kalikasan. So it shows cares for the environment and utilizes resources wisely, judiciously, and economically. So how do you show you are makakalikasan? So one by showing a caring attitude towards the environment, practice waste management, and conserves energy and resources.